Of course we are, yep. Go ahead and start rolling.
Check, 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 check. Go.
And we're off. 30 laps is the distance for the hobby stock class. Don't sit there, don't sit there, get out of it. No, don't sit in the track. Don't sit there. It's nice that you stop in courtesy, but get out of the road of the other cars that are coming. So right now, Adam is your leader with 8 laps. Eric's in second, Rod's third, Joe's fourth. Joe's kind of the punt today. Let's go low at 3, cleared. These are Traxxas Bandits. Wow. Halfway down for Adam, he's got 16 laps. Eric's got 14, Rod's 13, Joe's 11. Leader is the black car. Second place is number 4. Third place is the 54. And fourth is 67. Race number 6, heat race number 2 of the hobby stock class. Frank, Don, Toby, and Eric. You guys are up next. Watch here on the front stretch. Cleared.
Don't forget you need to make higher announcements.
You need to make extra
A white flag for Adam.
Race is over. Please finish the lap you're on.
Alright, Rod and Joe need to finish up. There's Rod. Here comes Joe. You're all done. Adam got 30, Eric 28, Rod 26, Joe 24. Go ahead and put your cars away. Come back out in corner, Marshall.
Attention racers, you have 2 minutes before the start of the race.
Frank, Don, Toby, and Eric.